This is the Decadent chocolate shake. You see the Nutella up front. Decadent chocolate shake, man. Wow. Okay, so you want to paste some Nutella around the rim. Okay, you could suck on the rim of this glass, ladies and gentlemen. Get some nuts in there. Nuts and chocolate. Party! So now chocolate ice cream. We don't do a whole lot of chocolate ice cream drinks. Usually we have vanilla that we then spike with some chocolate syrup or something. Bring in some Nutella. So this is extra chocolatey. Okay? Then come behind it with some vodka. Now, if you wanted extra chocolatey, you could use chocolate vodka. Frangelico, but chocolate vodka kind of hard to find sometimes. So just go regular if you can't find it. Blend, 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 and you pour. Oh, look at that pour. That pour is magnificent. It's so beautiful. Put a little cookie on there. Little whipped cream on top of the cookie. More chocolate syrup. And then a Ferrero Rocher, okay? Straw, and there you have it. That is a badass drink. Stay tipsy.